Hi, this is Dr. Pranav, your consultant for ethical practice marketing. In my earlier video, I spoke about the ABC marketing approach with mango tree example. I hope you remember that. Today in this video, I'm going to share a basic insight on marketing that every healthcare professional should know. It will help you to cater the patients falling in type A, that is all those patients who are located nearby your practice or those who know you already. So let's start with the question. What do you do if you have to reach somewhere you are not very familiar with or searching for something that you don't have a clear idea about? It's very simple. We take out our phone, search the location or the place, try to find the information. And if we find what we have been looking for, then we either call that place or start navigation. It's a common practice, isn't it? Millions of searches are being done every hour to explore nearby shops, restaurants, fuel stations, etc. Users also do the same to find dentists, ophthalmologists, dermatologists, pediatricians, and other healthcare specialists. The point is, when people are searching for a doctor, if they are searching for your specialty, are you visible? Are you there in the Google listing? If yes, that's really good. If no, that's something which might be draining a lot of patients from your practice. Creating your Google listing is absolutely free and it's not a rocket science. You can even create one on your own. All you have to do is go to Google and search create my Google business page. Your Google business page can help you in many ways. Here are the top 10 things your Google listing can do for you. First, it shows contact information like your phone number and your email ID so that patients can contact you easily. Second, it shows opening and closing hours of your practice that adds convenience to both you and your patients. Third, it helps your patients to use navigation link and reach your place. This one is very helpful when someone is using Ola, Uber or any other cab service to reach you. Fourth, you can list the treatments that you provide in your practice. Fifth, your prospective patients can also message you directly from your page and ask you questions about their problems. Sixth, you have option to link your website to your business page where you can provide them detailed information about your treatments. Seventh, if you are using any online practice management software, your patients can directly book appointment with your practice from your page. Eighth, you can also link a 360-degree view of your practice so that patients can see the hospital from inside even before they visit your practice. Now, this is something that will help them to see that you are maintaining a hygienic environment with all COVID-19 safety measures. Ninth, your patients can review your practice, share their treatment experience, which will help you to build a good reputation in the virtual world. And lastly, it also gives you crucial insights that shows how many users searched for your practice, used navigation, or contacted you so that you can plan your marketing action plan. Google My Business is an amazing tool that's completely free. Make sure you leverage it. So let's grow ethically and don't forget to like my page and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.